Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Caesar salad dressing. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need quality extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and a few cloves of garlic. Don't forget the anchovies and Dijon mustard for that classic flavor. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's create the flavor base. Finely mince your garlic and mash the anchovy fillets into a smooth paste. Combine these with Dijon mustard in a bowl. Then, add fresh lemon juice and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until they are well combined and fragrant, forming a solid foundation for your dressing. Now for the magic, emulsification. While whisking continuously, slowly drizzle in the olive oil. This gradual addition is key to creating a thick, creamy dressing. Once emulsified, stir in your freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Finally, season with salt and freshly ground black pepper, tasting as you go to achieve your perfect balance of flavors. Your homemade Caesar dressing is almost ready. Give it one last taste and adjust any seasonings if needed. Serve it immediately with crisp romaine lettuce and your favorite toppings. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 to 5 days, ready for your next salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.